అవును మన పేరెంట్స్ కి రాయాలంటే అది అన్న Okay, good morning children. We are third class. Here today we are going to discuss about what Nana fifth lesson discovery of fire. So far how many lessons we have finished? We have finished four lessons. So today we are going to discuss about the fifth lesson. Okay Nana, just you listen here. So discovery of fire. What is our lesson name? Discovery of fire. So as usual, first hard words, first section hard words, second section question answers, third section true or false, and fourth section is fill in the blanks. Okay, now let us read the lesson. Early man discovery of fire. Early man must have seen forest fires. At first he was afraid of fire. Slowly he began to realize that fire could keep away animals and the cold. He understood that fire could keep him warm and comfortable. So what happened Nana, here if you see this figure, nowadays we are having all the things, but for the early man they are not having any facilities as we are having in this modern time. So early man क्या करते थे, जब जंगल में रहते थे, फॉरेस्ट में रहते थे, so what he used to do, he used to collect all the wood. फॉरेस्ट में जंगल में जो मिलते वो पूरा मिला इकट्ठा करके they used to do, they used to collect all the wood pieces and they used to keep the fire. Why they will be keeping the fire? Because no wild animals should come and attack. If the animals will see the fire, the animals will not come and attack the people, and as well as the fire will be keeping the people warm because the forest will be the cold climatic conditions. So that is the reason these forest people, what the people are doing, they are keeping the fire. Why? Because keep away animals and the cold. And next he started understanding with the help of fire they used to get the warm feeling, and as well as people are feeling the comfortable. So your early man learned to protect himself from cold and wild animals using fire. By chance he discovered that fire could make the flesh of animals tastier. He found it easier to eat cooked meat. So what happened Nana, here slowly people they started roasting the meat, flesh of the animals. When they started the fire, using the fire on that particular time, people started roasting the water. They are roasting the animal flesh. Slowly they got an idea of roasting the flesh with the help of the fire. It is giving them very tastier and tastier. First they used to eat the raw food. फर्स्ट आदिवासी क्या करते थे, फॉरेस्ट पीपल पहले खाली फ्लेश खाते थे, बट आफ्टर द डिस्कवरी ऑफ फायर slowly they started roasting the what Nana, they are roasting the meat with the flesh with the help of the fire. By chance he discovered that fire could make the flesh of animals tastier. He found it easier to eat cooked meat. Early man learned to keep the fire burning by adding dry leaves and twigs. How the way they used to keep the fire, how the way the early man learned to keep the fire burn, the early man learned to keep the fire burning. How the way they are burning Nana? Burning by adding dry leaves and twigs. For a long period early man did not know how to make fire on his own. पहले उसको फायर के बारे में नहीं मालूम होते थे. So slowly he discovered that he could make fire by rubbing two stones or two bamboo sticks together. कैसे इन्वेंट करे पुराना जमाने में early people? Nowadays we are having matchstick, lighter for fire, but olden days people does not know how to make a early man. Just they rubbed with the one stone, they started rubbing with the another stone so that they can produce the fires. The early man has invented the fire. So discovery of the fire changed the life of the human race. Fire helped man to keep himself warm, to cook food, and to keep wild animals away. Not only keeping them warm, but also they cook the food with the help of the fire and keep the wild animals what Nana? Cook the food and to keep the wild animals away. So the fire helped the early people a lot. So that is the reason. What is our lesson name Nana? That is the discovery of fire. So what is the first section for us in the fifth lesson? Hard words. First one is forest, FOREST, forest. Second one is comfortable, comfortable. Third one is protect, protect. Fourth one is discover, discover. Fifth one is warm, warm. Sixth one is wild animals, wildanimal, wild animals. Seventh one is understood, understood. Eighth one is what? Pasty, tasty. Ninth one, dry leaves, dryleaves, leaves. The 10th one is tricks, twigs. So this is the hard words. After hard words, what is second section, Nana? Second is question answers. Isn't it? What is the first question? Where did early man see first fire? The early man see fire first in the forest. What is the second one? How was fire useful to early man? In this answer I have given the 2 points. What is the first point? Fire could keep away animals and the cold. What is the second point? It could keep him warm and comfortable. Children, in this 4 question answers there, only I have selected the 3 question answers. Okay na? I have not written the question because place is not sufficient for me. So just to copy the questions from the book. And what is the third one? How did the early man learn to make a fire? What is our answer? Early man learned to keep the fire burning by adding dry leaves and twigs. So what is the third section, Nana? Right, true or false against each statement. What is the first one? Early man was afraid of fire at first. Yes, first they was afraid. Correct. He felt comfortable near the fire. Yes. True. First one is true. Second one is true. Flesh cooked in fire was not tasty. Wrong, because when they are cooking on the fire, the food will be tasty. At first, early man did not know how to make fire. Yes, first he does not know. So discovery of fire changed the life of human race. Yes, that is correct. Yes. Next, coming to the fourth bit, that is what, Nana? Fill in the blanks. What is the first one? Rubbing 2 stones together can make what? What is the first one? Fire, F-I-R-E. Second one, early humans discovered that fire could scare away animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Third one, early man made fire by dash 2 stones together, rubbing, R-U-B-B-I-N-G. Fourth one, early man carried burning dash wherever he went, logs, L-O-G-S. Early man discovered that dash could make the flesh of animals tastier. Fire, F-I-R-E. So Nana, this is our 5th lesson. We have completed. So children, before writing this classwork, once you go through the lesson, if you are having any doubts, you can ask in the next class. Okay, Nana? So first you have to write the hard words, then question answers, then true or false, then fourth bit is fill in the blanks. Okay, children? Good morning.